Greetings party peeps and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's my first ever wrestling figure video. Now this might not surprise anyone at all, but I collect wrestling figures. I have a couple of rules when it comes to collecting figures. It is just people that I've met and some of my favorites. So it's just that simple. Stacy Keibler is an interesting one because she is obviously a pop culture person now. She went out with George Clooney and she was also on Dancing with the Stars, but she got a start in WCW as Miss Hancock. One of my absolute favorites growing up. Had all the posters in my room and everything like that. But that's why I thought I'd take a good opportunity to crack this bad boy open and see how it goes. So, without further ado, here's the unboxing. It's the first time I've actually sort of let a figure breathe. Let him breathe, as my favorite wrestler Matt Cardona would say. Stuff it, just rip the damn boxes off. Compelling viewing. Let's have a look. That's Stacy Keibler out the box. A couple of things holding it down. Let's get these heads out. So there is the Miss Hancock hair in a bun kind of hairdo. What's the? She's got a couple of pointy fingeries. There we go. And her world famous clipboard, which is kind of cool. The glasses. Ooh. And let's get her out of this stupid packaging. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, so you can keep the clipboard, as we can see here. Kind of a cool figure. Check it out. Not bad. Not bad at all, eh? How easy do the heads come off? I've never really played with it. Mattel Elite. Oh, that's relatively simple actually. So we can do that. Swap the head. Not bad. Not a bad little figure at all. Don't know what I'd do with the fingers because I can't remember her doing a yes chant or anything like that. So I think maybe I'll keep her in the bun, put her up with the rest. But yeah, thanks for watching my cheeky little figure unboxing video, and I'll catch you next time.